araw. Alamin naman natin ang kwento sa likod ng librong The Horse Soldier, a wartime secret na isinulat ng isang creative writer at cultural advocate. Panoorin po natin ito.
Naghahanap ka ba ng libro para sa iyong anak? Isang librong magbabalik sa kanya sa nakaraan, sa panahon ng digmaan, at magpapaalala ng kahalagahan ng kapayapaan at kalayaan. Ito mismo ang hatid ng librong The Horse Soldier, a wartime secret, ng isang creative writer at cultural advocate, ang kanyang pangatlong libro at kauna-unahang children's book.
The book is based on a true story about my mom when she was 12. No, actually, the war started when she was 10, but then my grandfather was part of the guerrilla movement, and so was my grandma as well. And mom was only 10 when the war started, when World War II, when the Japanese came. There was an American soldier. My family hid him in their home. And that's really basically how the story has been said to me since I was 4 or 5. I've heard stories, and it's all been, nandun na yun eh. So naalala ko yun. So in my mind, parang sabi ko, oh, I want to preserve that.
Bagamat natapos na ang World War II mahigit 80 years ago, ang kwento ay patuloy na kapupulutan ng aral ng mga bata. Bida rito ang mga karakter na hango sa mga pangalan ng totoong tao at lugar.
I hope that parents will be able to explain to their children that there was a war in the Philippines that happened, and because of the underground movement led by Colonel Ramsey, Edwin Ramsey, will be spread around so that they would know that Filipinos were very loyal with the American government because we were a Commonwealth at the time.
Sana maalala nila na magpasalamat na lang tayo na meron tayong kapayapaan dito sa mundo, and I hope that they always remember that.
Maliban sa personal na istorya ng mga karakter, binigyan buhay din ng aklat ang makulay na kulturang Pilipino. Nakasulat man sa Ingles ito, may mga salitang Filipino na ginagamit sa pagkikwento na kung saan may kitang kahulugan nito sa hulihang bahagi ng aklat. Kasabay ng launching, nagkaroon din ng book signing at book reading na nagbigay ng pasilip sa kung ano pa ang nilalaman ng The Horse Soldier, a wartime secret. Ang pagbasa ng ganitong uri ng libro ay hindi lang nagbibigay ng historical knowledge, kundi nagtuturo rin ng empathy at appreciation sa mga value na mula sa nakaraan.